up, kids! The ice cream is melting in these bags!
Mom, my hands are getting really tired.
Then give it to Leo. He can carry it on his head. Whoa, this is super heavy. I can barely see anything. Whatever, this new song is amazing.
Watch out! My brakes aren't working! Move!
My leg, it really hurts. I can't stand up. Leo.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Oh, looks like a delivery guy dropped a burger. Well, finders keepers, right? Not bad.
I need to call Dad. Please pick up.
Oh, my phone is ringing. It's just my stepson. He probably wants money again.
Hello? 911. Please help. My mom had an accident. She's hurt.
It's nothing serious. I'm fine, but I'm not going to the hospital. I've got movie tickets.
Mia, wait. How can you just leave us like this?
Mom, look. The ambulance is here. You're safe now.
We've got you. Easy now. You did a great job helping her. That was brave. Just a scrape, nothing broken. You'll be okay.
Really? Thank goodness, Leo. It's gonna be okay.
I'm putting a bandage on this. Keep it clean, all right?
Thank you for staying with me, Leo. Of course, Mom.
Dad, please pick up this time. It's an emergency.
Leo, I'm busy. Why do you keep calling?
Mom had an accident. The doctor put bandages on her leg.
What? An accident? Is she okay? Where are you? At the hospital?
She's okay now. We're taking a taxi home after treatment. Mom, hold your leg carefully.
Next stop, your house. Sit back and enjoy the ride.
Mom, does your leg still hurt?
A little, but we're almost home. Ouch! Slow down, Leo. I need to be careful. I've got you, Mom.
I'll ring the bell. Someone will open it. Dad!
Oh my goodness, Olivia. I'm so sorry this happened. Come, sit down. You need to rest. I'll get you a soft pillow.
Leo, don't just stand there. Go wash those dirty clothes. And after that, cook dinner for everyone.
Yes, Dad. I'll do it right away.
These clothes are heavy, but I want to help my family.
All right, now I'll make dinner. Something warm. Chicken soup.
It's the best food for someone who's hurt. I hope Mom likes it. Here, Mom. I made this special soup for you.
You made this? For me? After how we treated you today?
Of course. You're my mom. I love you.
Oh, Leo. I'm so sorry.
He really is an amazing kid, but
We've been so unfair to him for so long.
you're right. We gave all our attention to Mia and ignored Leo.
That has to change. From now on, we treat him equally.
What are they talking about? Leo showed us more kindness today than anyone. We should love him just as much as Mia. This is so unfair. I'm not sharing my parents with him.
Good morning, Mia. Did you sleep well?
Oops! Look at you, Leo. So clumsy.
Mia, apologize right now. That was rude.
Whatever. I don't care. He's not even my real brother. I don't need them. I can have fun alone.
Her behavior is getting worse, and the distance between us is growing.
It's okay, Dad. She's just upset.
Leo, we have a surprise for you.
We've enrolled you in a very good school. Really? Thank you so much. I love studying. I'm gonna make so many new friends.
Leo's at school. And I'm all alone. Even Buddy doesn't want to play with me because I've been so mean.
You did very well on your English spelling test, Leo. Great job. They look so happy together. I wish I had been nicer to him.
I'll just swing higher, higher than ever.
Hey! Look at me, everyone! Help! My hands! I'm slipping! Ouch! My arm. That really hurts.
Mia, hold on, I'm here. Are you okay? Let me help you. You're helping me? After everything I did to you? Of course. We're family. And family always takes care of each other. I'm so sorry, Leo. Please forgive me for being so mean. I forgive you. Completely. Don't cry, everything's okay now. Mom, Dad, I'm really sorry. I've been rude and unfair. I was just jealous.
We're proud of you for admitting that, Mia.
Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is you learned from it.
We forgive you, sweetheart.
And we love both of you equally always.
This is the best family night we've ever had, Dave.
Yeah, it feels different.
Kindness and fairness are what make a house a real home.
And love doesn't depend on differences.
I love our family.
Me too. We're the best team.